Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's EVS class. How are you all, children? Let us start today's new session. Okay, children, today I'm going to teach you lesson textbook part exercises. Okay, today I'm going to teach you textbook exercises. Okay, see, this is the lesson. You don't have textbooks, that's why I keep the textbook pages like this. Once you read the lesson thoroughly, children. Okay, see, first we'll read Charu is like I explained this one. Do you remember the points? Okay, we wear clothes to cover our body. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and wind. Clothes also protect us from dust and from dust and dirt. I explained all these points. Yes or no? I explained all these points. Now this will go to this page. In summer we wear cotton clothes. In summer we wear cotton clothes. These clothes keep us cool in hot summer. I explained this point. In summer we wear cotton clothes. These cotton clothes keep us cool in hot season. We get cotton from cotton plants. I already explained all these points. Once you read these points, okay, children? We'll read remaining pages, children. Okay. See, we wear woolen clothes in winters. Yes, sir. Now I explained this point also. These clothes keep us warm. These woolen clothes keep us warm. We get wool from some animals like sheep. We get wool from some animals like sheep. Wool is used for knitting sweaters, caps, socks, and other woolen clothes. Wool is used for knitting sweaters, caps, socks, and other woolen clothes. People living in very cold places wear fur and leather clothes. People living in very cold places wear fur and leather clothes. When animals die of old age, their skin is used for making fur and leather goods. When animals die of old age, their skin is used for making fun and leather goods. We should never hurt animals for their skin. Okay, we should never hurt animals for their skin. Next, this is rainy season. We wear plastic clothes in rainy season. I explained all these points. Once you remember all these points, okay? These clothes are made of plastic or rubber. These clothes are made of plastic or rubber. So, thus people wear clothes as per weather and seasons. So, depend upon the weather, people will wear clothes. Okay? We also wear silk clothes. Yes, sir, we get silk from silkworm. We get silk from silkworm. Clothes from man-made fiber are called synthetic clothes. Clothes from man-made, okay, fiber are called synthetic clothes. These are the points. Okay, so now we'll complete the textbook exercise. Okay, children, this is page number 34 in your EVS textbooks. You don't have textbooks, I know. That's why I'm explaining everything here. Listen and read carefully. Okay, here what they given, children. Choose the correct word from the help box. Here they given one help box. Okay, so we have to choose the correct word from that help box and we have to fill the blanks. Here they given some blanks. Okay, so what are the words they given, children? Cotton, COTTON, cotton. UNIFORM, uniform. UNIFORM, uniform. SKIN, skin. SKIN, skin. UMBRELLA, umbrella. UMBRELLA, umbrella. WOOL, wool. WOOL, wool. Okay, children? So we have to complete now. We have to fill the blanks now. Dash clothes are worn in summer. What type of clothes we are wearing summer, children? Say cotton, uniform, skin, umbrella, wool. Which word is correct, children? Dash clothes are worn in summer. Say cotton. So we wear cotton clothes in summer. So I'm writing here cotton. COTTON. Cotton clothes are worn in summers. Okay. Next one. We wear a dash in the school. If you want to go to school, what you will wear? Okay, we'll go. In what type of dress you will you wear, children? Okay, understand the question. We wear a dash in the school. If you want to go to school, which dress we will wear? Cotton dress, uniform, skin, umbrella, wool. What we'll wear? Uniform. We wear a uniform in the school. We wear a uniform in the school. So what we have to write, children? Uniform. UNIFORM, uniform. Say with me, wear a uniform in the school. Okay, next, third one. And dash is used in rainy season. Understand the question. And dash is used in rainy season. What will use in rainy season? Cotton, uniform, skin, umbrella, wool. What will use? So we will use umbrella. So what we have to write, children? Umbrella. An umbrella is used in rainy season. An umbrella is used in rainy season. So umbrella, UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay, say with me. An umbrella is used in rainy season. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Okay, children. Next, fourth one. We should never hurt animals for their what? We should never hurt animals for their cotton, uniform, skin, umbrella, wool. What is the correct answer? We should never hurt animals for their skin. Okay, we should never hurt animals for their skin. So what do we have to write here? Skin. SKIN, skin. Say with me. SKIN, skin. We should never hurt animals for their skin. Okay, children. Next, fifth one. We get dash from sheep. What we will get, children? From sheep? What we will get? Cotton, uniform, skin, umbrella, wool. What we will get from sheep? From sheep we will get wool. So what we have to write? Wool here. Okay. We get wool from sheep. Say with me. We get wool from sheep. Wool spelling WOOL. 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 Okay, children. Children, read the heading. See the B. See the example and make pair of these clothes. Here they given some clothes. What they are saying? See the example. One example already taken. Salwar kameez. Pair. Okay. See the example and make pair of these clothes. Okay. Salwar and kameez is one pair. So next, what they are given here? Pant. Pant. What we have? What pant? Pant. Say pant. What we will wear with pant? Shirt. Shirt, pant. We will wear shirt, pant. Yes or no? So we are writing like this. SHIRT, shirt. SHIRT, shirt. SHIRT, shirt. PANT, pant. Okay? Okay? SHIRT, shirt. PANT, pant. Salwar kameez already they given. Next, dhoti. With dhoti, what we will wear, children? Dhoti with dhoti. Dhoti, dhoti, kurta. Dhoti, kurta is pair. Okay. Dhoti, kurta. DHOTI, dhoti. DHOTI, dhoti. KURTA, kurta. KURTA, kurta. Dhoti, kurta. Okay. Next one, sari. All of you know very well, I think, because your mothers are wearing sari every day. What is the pair for sari? Sari, sari, blouse. Sari, blouse. Say, children, sari, blouse. So we have to write here sari, blouse. SARE, sari. SARE, sari. blouse, blouse. Blouse, blouse. Okay. Now we learn salwar kameez. Salwar kameez. Shirt, pant. Shirt, pant. Dhoti, kurta. Dhoti, kurta. Okay. Sari, blouse. Sari, blouse. Okay, children, say with me. Salwar kameez. Salwar kameez. Shirt, pant. Shirt, pant. Dhoti, kurta. Dhoti, kurta. Sari, blouse. Sari, blouse. Learn all these spellings. Okay, children. Okay, these are the pairs. Okay. Children, this is page number 35 in your EVS textbook. See what the question they given. Do you know? What they asking? Do you know? A weaver weaves clothes. Who weaves clothes, children? A weaver. He is a weaver. A weaver weaves clothes. Say with me. A weaver weaves clothes. Say. A weaver weaves clothes. Weaver spelling you should learn, children. W-E-A-V-E-R, weaver. W-E-A-V-E-R, weaver. A weaver weaves clothes. A dash stitches our clothes. Who will stitch our clothes, children? Who is he? Tyler. Who is he? Tyler. A tailor stitches our clothes. A tailor stitches our clothes. Okay. Tyler spelling T-A-I-L-O-R, Tyler. T-A-I-L-O-R, Tyler. A tailor stitches our clothes. Okay. A tailor stitches our clothes. Say with me. Who will stitch our clothes? A tailor stitches our clothes. Okay. Next. A washerman washes and iron our clothes. He's a washerman. Okay, what he's doing, children? He's washing the clothes and ironing the clothes. See, observe here. See this picture. A washerman washes and iron our clothes. Say with me. A washerman washes and iron our clothes. Okay. Washerman spelling W-A-S-H-E-R-M-A-N, washerman. Learn all these spellings, children. Weaver, Tyler, washerman. Learn all these spellings, all these three spellings. Okay. The washerman spelling, children. Again, A-W-A-S-H-E-R M-A-N, washerman. Say W-A-S-H-E-R-M-A-N, washerman. Say the sentence. A washerman washes and iron our clothes. A washerman washes and iron our clothes. Okay, children? Children, now I want to give you one assignment. This is today's assignment. This is today's assignment. Learn and write, fill in the blanks one time. Learn and write, fill in the blanks one time. You should write neatly, children. 5 fill in the blanks are there, na? A. Something to do is there, na? A. First page. I said no already. Cotton clothes are worn in summers. We wear a uniform in the school. An umbrella is used in rainy season. We should never hurt animals for their skin. We get wool from sheep. These 5 blanks are there, na? That 5 blanks learn well. That spellings should learn well. Okay. Then write one time neatly and send to me, children. Okay. Thank you.